Alright, and now we're gonna create the simple website. This website that will have two sections. The first section is header and the two section is a hero section. Before you create the new website, the first thing you have to do is create the new folder that's called simple website. In the inside of the folder that you have been created, you have to insert the image. The first image is the hero for the hero section. The second image is for the logo on the header. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is type the CMD, and here we're gonna create type code dot. That is for to open the folder on the Visual Studio Code. If you have not already installed the Visual Studio Code, you have to install it first. And here in the extension, you have to install the live server to have a live view like this. You have already installed it, so we're gonna go to here. You're gonna create the new file that called index.html. Alright, this file we're gonna create HTML document. This is doc types mean you create the document type HTML. So here the HTML language is in English, and so here there is head section and the body section. Head sections mean that it will be, this is the tab if you are open the browser. So here there is a meta tag. This meta tag, you can ignore it or delete it if you want it. So here on the title, we're gonna create the title of our website. So here I'm gonna name it the simple website. Control F. On the body section, we're gonna create the header and the main section. Main section. And here there is will be appear, go live, and we're gonna click it. It will be open the new browser, and it will be open our website. This is the simple website. So on header section, we're gonna insert our image. I'm gonna insert my logo, that Sony logo. Sony. Alright. So here is my image. We're gonna style our two sections, the header and main. So before we're gonna style those two of this element, we have to install TailwindCSS because we're gonna use Tailwind. So we create the script tag, and inside of the script tag here we type src that revert to https cdn dot tailwindcss.com. We did it. We already installed the TailwindCSS.com. Because the image is too big, we're gonna make it become smaller. Like the width is 100 pixel, and the height is 100 pixel too. We're gonna create the nav bar on here with UL unordered. So here we have to create the list. If you create order list, then you have to create a list, and inside of an order list. For example, I'm gonna create the list just 5. Here there is home, there is about, there is surface, there is menu. Alright, time to implement the Tailwind CSS. On the header, we will make these two sections, the image and the UL, become flat. The display will be flat. Flags mean that this section will be displayed like horizontal, not vertical. Create class on here, and we make it become flags. And we're gonna make flag too for this unordered section. Before we implement the Tailwind CSS, we have to create class. So we make display become flag. So here we're gonna make this logo section and the UL section or navigation. It's supposed to be justified between the display. Justify between. Right. So here this is for the logo, this is for the navigation. In this list, we're gonna implement an e tag on the inside of it. This e tag, to revert it, alright, we're gonna put the text on the inside of e tag. This is tag to make this become if we make the pointer on here, the pointer will become click. That means we can click it here. Right, the pointer is changed. So we have to make this list have space because this text is there is no have space. We call the class and the px we make the padding become 2 and the py that is px for the horizontal, the py is for vertical. Right, the display will be like this, and on the body we're gonna make this become container. So all of our website is inside of the container. It will be like this, and we're gonna make this become margin X or margin horizontal become outer center. So we're gonna make the margin top is 5. Alright, it give us space on there, 5 space. We're done for the header section. So now we go to the main section. In this main section, we're gonna create the H1 for the title of the hero section. I'm gonna name it with my name. and we're gonna put the paragraph P element. So here is text. It will be like that. And here there is a button. This button. So we're gonna make this section and this section. The display will be horizontal. So this is will be the text. So here it will be the image. So how to do that? The first thing we have to make this become one section. Heading, paragraph, and the button become one section. And we create the div element or make it this is one section. So here the image section, we created div to make it become one section. We're gonna create the class will be black. It will be like this. So to make this have space, we're gonna make the padding become 20. The items become center. Alright. So this h1, we're gonna create a class to style this heading one. The text will be large or XL, and here on the div, we're gonna create class 2 to make the margin top is become 5. We're gonna create class 2 to make the margin top become 5. So have space on there. On the bottom too, create class margin top become 5. Right, it will be like that. You're gonna create this text. The width is like this, and the text will become gray. Gray. Simple as that. So we're gonna make the industry standard become strong. Strong. Alright. We're gonna style this button. The background color is sky with 500, and if we over it, the background color will be darker, like 1800. Right, we hover it, it will be 800. The color will be different, and the padding Y for the horizontal, we create it become 2. The padding X, I mean the vertical, here is vertical, this is horizontal, become 7. Alright, the display is will be rounded. Whoa, and the text become white. Alright, just like that. The simple website is done. We did it. We create the head and we create the hero section. Alright, that's all. Thank you.